Every network administrator has their own software toolbox containing a collection of their favorite utilities. Some tools are almost universal, but others fulfill specific requirements of an administrator or a network. Over the years, our customers have asked us to develop a multitude of different tools. Many of these are now integrated directly into Industrial HiVision, ready to facilitate administration tasks. Although Industrial HiVision is a powerful network management application, getting started does not require a lot of expert knowledge. But sometimes it's good to have a helping hand. Maybe you have never used a network management application before and you would like some guidance. Maybe you just want to get started quickly without learning where to find all the options. In either case, the Setup Wizard is right for you. It will take you step by step through the setup process, resulting in a very usable management application in the minimum possible time. Later, as you become more familiar with the functions offered by Industrial HiVision, you can fine-tune it to match your exact requirements. In every network, some tasks need to be repeated. This is usually not the most interesting work, but it's often critical to the smooth running of the network. A scheduler takes the pressure off you by automatically running tasks at predefined times. Some tasks, like backing up switch configurations or disabling power over Ethernet outside production hours, are so common that we've built them into Industrial HiVision. For other tasks which may be specific to industrial networks, the scheduler can run batch or script files created by the network administrator. Wildcards are supported for elements like file names or IP addresses. By using the scheduler, you can rest assured that tasks are running smoothly in the background without your personal intervention. A network operator has many daily tasks, and monitoring the health of the network is just one of them. A network dashboard is a useful tool to help the operator stay up to date with the network health. Essentially, a network dashboard is a large screen projected or attached to a wall which displays a real-time summary of various network components in a graphical, color-coded style. It shows the network status at a glance. The dashboard in Industrial HiVision is completely configurable. Templates are provided for information such as device or connection status, security status, response times, and application performance. Or you can create your own templates. Multiple dashboards can be displayed in a slideshow. How often have you heard the expression 5 nines availability? In other words, 999.99% uptime, or 5 seconds a year downtime. This is the de facto standard for OT networks. Easy to say, massively complex to calculate. Industrial HiVision includes a path availability calculator. To be clear, the tool cannot calculate the availability of a network, but as its name suggests, it can calculate the availability of a path through the network. This depends on the mean time between failures and the mean time to repair of the network devices and the redundant paths between the devices. It's a highly theoretical tool, but it can help you to understand the strengths and weaknesses of your network topology and the additional availability you could gain by adding redundant devices or connections. The MIB browser allows you to look directly at raw MIB information without going through a graphical user interface. There are several reasons you might want to do this. Fault finding the SNMP stack of an SNMP-enabled device is a typical use. Searching for manufacturer-specific information to include in Industrial HiVision is another. But for many of us, curiosity about how SNMP works is the main driving force. Some tools are best reserved for experts or potential experts, and the MIB browser is one of them. Industrial HiVision was developed to configure and supervise Hirschman network devices, but modern OT networks increasingly support equipment from many manufacturers. This can include network infrastructure equipment from other well-known vendors, or end devices which do not have their own supervision software. In any case, Industrial HiVision can meet the challenges of a mixed environment. HiVision is a standalone application which can generate the code required to configure and supervise a third-party device. If you have no SNMP knowledge, the HiVision wizard will generate basic supervision code. If you are an SNMP expert, the sky is the limit for supervision and configuration code. HiVision includes a test environment, so you do not need to touch your live installation.